All right, I'm going to break down and explain this incredible photo that I got on July 4th in 2019. It was a perfect day for a photo I didn't know I was going to get. I was driving home. This was just as the sun was going down. And, on July 4th, you always have people starting fireworks a little bit before it gets completely dark. So as I'm driving home, in my vision, I have this really dynamic, bright orange sunset while this rainstorm, lightning storm is moving over the mountains in the distance. And then in front of that is the fireworks that people are already starting to send up in the air. So this is the view that I'm getting while I'm driving home, thinking, "Holy crap, I have got to get home and capture this cuz this is never going to happen again." So basically, I ended up getting home, grabbing my DJI Phantom 4 Pro, sending it up in the air as quick as possible, getting 4K video of the area. So I got video footage of the storm all the way across the horizon, and then I got video footage of the fireworks too. After that, then I stopped and did photos of the whole horizon to get a panoramic. And I did multiple photos so that I could capture a bunch of the lightning and the fireworks. I wanted to sort of grab as much of the moment as I could. And at the time when I was actually filming this stuff, I didn't know quite what the final image was going to look like yet. I just knew it was an incredible thing happening in front of me, and I wanted to grab it. So, I have done a lot of panoramic sunset storm type pictures, so I thought that might be an option. What ended up happening was once I got in the computer and I could look at all the pictures and photos, I realized I could build this panoramic photo so you have the whole moment of what you actually saw that would almost be impossible to capture in one photo, but absolutely put it all together where you can tell the whole story. And as you can see in this video, it really all did happen at once. Uh, I love telling this story because it was a moment I don't think I'll ever be able to capture again, where it's literally July 4th fireworks in front of a thunderstorm sunset with this dramatic sky. I cannot believe it happened, but it really happened all at once, and I sort of compressed the time to show you what was happening over, I mean, realistically, probably a minute or two of time. And yeah, it's incredible. You can actually go and see the high res photo on my website. I'll put a link in the description. I sort of balanced the image and wanted to bring out the drama that I could, because I wanted it to feel like that crazy late afternoon summer thunderstorm. The sky, the sunset really had this orange glow to it, and the way the clouds were, that time of day, it sort of goes gray blue. I did try my best to clean up the way the fireworks and the land looked around it, because that time of night, the darkness doesn't do so well with the camera. But I love the contrast of it. If you would like a print, you can follow the link to the prints and choose whatever size and material you would like. I have actually sold one of those on metal. It looks incredible. It's this big, long, wide image that just looks like I want to get a 6 foot long one and hang it up over the back of the couch there. There you go. That's the story. I don't know if that'll ever happen again, but man, what an incredible moment to capture in one photo.